Hey guys, Jio made some key announcements yesterday in its annual general meeting. This video is all about that. So, let's get started. Now the Jio Phone will get support for Facebook, WhatsApp and YouTube. The update will be rolled out in few days. Also, Reliance launched a new Jio Phone 2, which is an upgraded version of the existing Jio Phone. It will be available at the price of Rs 2,999. The new Jio Phone 2 now has QWERTY keypad. It also has 2.4-inch QVGA display with widescreen support for better TV and video watching experience. It has 512MB of RAM and 4GB of internal storage, which can be expandable up to 128GB. For connectivity, it supports 4G voice over LTE, voice over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC. It also has 2MP rear camera and a VGA front camera, and it is backed by a 2000 mAh battery. Then Jio announced a new offer called Jio Monsoon Hungama Offer, in which if you have a feature phone, you can exchange it for a new Jio phone by giving extra Rs 500. In addition to the offers on Jio phones, Reliance also announced the much awaited Jio GigaFiber, the fiber-based broadband service. With this service, Jio promised to keep speed up to 1 Gbps. Initially, it will be started in 1100 cities across the country, and registration for the service will begin from August 15 through Jio.com and My Jio app. Jio also launched Jio Giga TV and Jio Smart Home Solutions. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.